Separate both ends of carrot and cut it into rings and pour it into stock pot. Add a glass of water and let it boil for a half an hour, so to make sure it's completely cooked. Once it becomes soft enough, smash with fork. Can also be done with mixer machine. Add a halved lemon to your carrot smash. Add some honey with a tablespoon of aloe vera gel to your ingredients and mix them well enough. Apply the mask all over your face and rinse it with water once it got dried. We'll see you at my next tutorial.